These are 5 legit and easy ways to get paid to eat online. Before you get started, remember you can check out the #1 recommended moneymaker. The link will be in the description of this video. Now, the first way that we look at is become a competitive eater. The second way is start a food blog or YouTube channel. The third way is become a food tester. The fourth way is get paid in cash back for your food purchases. The fifth way is sign up for restaurant mystery shopping gigs. Now, just so you understand, there will be timestamps and also links in the description of this video. So if you are interested in, for example, how to become a food tester, you can always go to the timestamp and go directly there. But as you know, it's going to be best you watch the entire video to see which one piques your interest the most. Now, #1 is become a competitive eater. All over the world, there are many people doing competitions, having contests. So MajorLeagueEating.com is the website you want to go to if you are interested to enter a contest, to be participating and making money whenever time you win that contest. Now, the second way is to start a food blog or YouTube channel. This could be possibly the most lucrative way, but it will definitely take a lot of work. And also you have to be interested in food for you to be creating content. Now, if you are online for any amount of time, there's a website out there. It's called pinchofyum.com. This is a website which the person who blogs on it, they create healthy recipes made for everyday people. They help you to celebrate joy of food in a totally non-intimidating way, right? Recently, they posted their income earnings and it was over $100,000 for the year. So this is a very lucrative way to make money. Pinch of Yum is the website as well. Now, the best place to learn how to build a blog online is wealthyaffiliate.com. This is actually a great place to create and grow a successful business online. So it could be in any niche that you choose. If you love blogging, you love food, this will be perfect training for you to take and to build your business to whatever level you like. Now, as I mentioned, the next way is basically creating a YouTube channel. YouTube is the second largest website in the world. This food blogger, his name is Mark Weins. He's a person I listen to and watches his episodes, me and my family, right? So as you can see, food is a reason you should travel. So he's like a travel food blogger. He has currently 8.57 million subscribers on YouTube. So he will actually get paid via YouTube ads and also to links in his description, sponsored links. This is also a great way to build up your way to make money from eating. Now, a great resource out there to learn how you can come on YouTube and make money, it is actually the No Face YouTube course done by Thomas Garretts. Okay, I'm going to be putting all these links in the description of this video. So even if you don't want to show your face, you can actually make money by creating content on YouTube, food related, and obviously make a full-time income from your own. Now, the third way is to become a food tester. This is going to be fantastic. Now, there are a couple websites out there. I did some research. Now, tester enrollment for paid focus groups and paid market research. So if you're trying to find focus groups and paid market research, this is where you would sign up. They have lots of food tester jobs across North America. So contracttesting.com, this is where you would basically sign up. This is one of the websites. Now, the other website is McCormick Consumer Testing. This is the website that you can go on, see if they have available spots for you. Again, links will be in the description for all these sign up pages. Now, the fourth way to get paid to eat is actually get paid in cashback for your food purchases. Now, there are going to be several apps which I'll share with you. The first app will be iButter. This is very popular. You earn cashback and save with in-app offers. So you actually get real cashback on your everyday purchases with iButter. You can download for free, and you can use a browser extension for cashback on in-store and online shopping. There's also going to be Checkout 51. You buy groceries, you get cash back. This is really good for busy moms. So Checkout 51 is the easiest way to save money on groceries from the brands you love. You can redeem exclusive offers and deals when you go shopping every week, and they'll send you cash back. So that is checkout51.com. Again, links in the description for each of these. Now, you can also get rewarded, supercharge your debit and credit card with earnwithdrop.com. So you definitely use your debit or your credit cards. You know, while you use your debit card to shop for food in any of these places like Pizza Hut, Whole Foods, any of those places, you know, you can definitely get paid by using your credit cards or your debit cards. So that is earnwithdrop.com. Now, this one is pretty good. It's Get Upside. It's an app that is available to download on the iOS store or the Google Play Store. This is how it works. You basically go in, you download the app, and they basically give you a guide to show you, so you can see how easy it is to earn cash back from the free Get Upside app. So check it out again. Now, this one is also popular. This is the Dosh app. Automatic cash back when you shop, dine, and book hotels. So in addition to eating, you can also get cash back when you shop or when you book hotels. So this is what they say: get effortless cash back whenever you shop and dine out at stores and restaurants near you. No points, no coupons, no receipts. Just link a card to start getting cash back. So you'll basically need to use a credit or debit card to get those cash back from the dining options that you choose. Now, number 5 is sign up for restaurant mystery shopping gigs. And you know, when I used to work in the hotel, basically there were people called shoppers. Those people used to come inside the hotel, and what they do, they basically come to critique the restaurant to see if, you know, basically if you're doing a good job. So the companies will actually pay them to go out there and act as if they are actually a real guest, but in fact they're just shopping the restaurant or your establishment. So some platforms you can go to is this Best Mark by Jamie Christmore. Basically, it's become a mystery shopper. Take the first step to become a mystery shopper with Best Mark. You can see how to become a secret shopper. This is a pretty good way to make some extra money. There's also Second to None. It's another mystery shopping website. You can evaluate customer services across the US and Canada. You can join a mystery shopper team, become a mystery shopper for free, so you don't need to pay any money to become a mystery shopper, and you go and enjoy those fine dining experiences. Also, Call Hospitality. Call Hospitality's clients are always seeking experienced, dedicated, and detail-oriented individuals committed to capturing every nuance of the guest. This is a pretty good one. You'll basically be dining in 5-star restaurants and a lot of great places. Now remember, the number 1 recommended moneymaker is in the description of this video. Hopefully these ways to earn, to make some extra money while you eat will help you out. And this is, by the way, Jason Foster. I create content here on YouTube, and I hope this has been helpful. If you are not subscribers yet, you can go ahead and click the subscribe button. And of course, you can also check out my other videos as well. I have a lot of great information to help you to make more money. But remember, the number one recommendation to make money, you can even make more money than what you would make if you were actually just going out there to eat and make money. All right, let me know if you have any questions in the comments section. Like the video so that it reaches more people out there. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.